Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to find and replace text in Word. When you are working with longer documents, it can be difficult and time consuming to locate a specific word or phrase. Word can automatically search your document using the find, and it allows you to quickly replace or change the word or phrase using replace. That is, for example, maybe as I'm on this document, I've prepared this document and I've submitted it to my boss, and my boss asked me to change some expression or some words to replace it with another word there. For example, maybe I have a video here and my boss asked me to change the video to movie, and this is not only the place I have video. If you check here, I have video also here. So I was asked to change all of the video to movie. So how do I do that? At one click in Microsoft Word. First of all, if you want to know how many videos you have on this particular document, you need to find the video first by clicking on your home menu or tab and locate under edit group. We have find, or you press Ctrl F on your keyboard to click the find. So let's use the shortcut Ctrl F. Automatically it will navigate through, it will display this navigation. So inside this navigation, that is when you type the word that you were looking for. So now I'm looking for what? Video. Then I will type video. Automatically it will help me to highlight all the video that I have on my Word. They are in yellow color, you see. So it means all the video I'm replacing them with movie. So am I going to be coming on all of them after the other by coming to this page, delete the video, then type movie, then come here, delete the video and type movie? No, that is wasting of time. So with the help of replace, it helps us to replace this video to movie at one clicking. So after we have seen all the places you have your movie, then you can close this navigation. So the next button I'm going to use under home, under edit group. So you find your replace, or you press Ctrl H on your keyboard to press the replace function. So if you click on the replace function, it will display this dialog box for you. You see, it shows me what I just find there. Find what? You see, video. Then replace. That is, what am I replacing the video with? So now I want to replace the video to movie. So automatically I will type movie here. You see? So immediately I click on replace all. Automatically it will change all the movie, all the video to movie automatically. So let's do this. Watch this now. So let me click on replace, or let me use replace one first. Replace. You see, it's highlighted, then it's replace. Now it's went to the second one. If I click replace, it replaces it. You see, it changes one back to capital letter and gives one what its own small letter. So it's not make any mistake there. So now if you hit replace all, automatically all the video will be replaced. You see, all done. We made 10 replacements. So which means on this particular document we don't have any video. So all we have here is now movie. So how do you know that? Click on your find again and type video. Automatically, you see, let's type video. Sorry. So do we find any video here? No. So we can't find any video on this document again. So now if I should type movie, automatically it will display all the movie that I have on this document. So this is how we find and replace Word in Word, in MS Word. So rather, I hope this is clear. So it's a very simple and straightforward function in Microsoft Word, and it is very powerful tools in Microsoft Word. So let's demonstrate some example again. For instance, let's say here you can see I have document. So and my boss also asked me to change the document to file. Do you see? I have the document, so I asked to change all the documents to what? File. So first of all, let's find the document. Let's see how many documents you have on this document, on this file. Anyone? So type documents. Do you see? It highlights all the documents that we have on this file, or on this document rather. So you can call it anyone. Do you see? So these are the documents. So I was asked to replace all these documents to file. To save my time and energy, although I don't have to be coming to this place and highlight documents, you see, then I will type file on my keyboard. This is wasting of time. So how do we do this very quickly? That is when you use your function, replace function. This is it on edit group, or you press Ctrl H on your keyboard. By pressing Ctrl H on your keyboard, to bring this. Do you see? I've already searched for this. I've already searched for this word, so that is why it brings it to this place for me. So now, what am I replacing with? File. So I've typed file on this place, then replace all. So automatically we have all done. We made 15 replacements. That is, all the document we have are already replaced to file. I believe this is clear, and this is very straightforward function in Microsoft Word. So in our next tutorial, or in our advanced class, we'll be seeing how we can do the advanced find and replace. So the one we just demonstrate now is the basic of find and replace. Are with me? And that's the basic part of this document. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, comment and like. So I will be responding to your comments. Please, I would love you to be comment and ask questions if you don't understand anything on this video or the previous video that I made. Please, I need your feedback. Thank you so much. God bless you and God bless me.